Somewhere beyond the edge of the familiar lie lands untouched, where ice meets fire, where deserts bloom and waters glow like living gems. From the whispering cliffs of the Faroe Islands to the otherworldly sands of Egypt's white desert, from a frozen kingdom in Svalbard to a sapphire spring hidden deep in Albania. These are Earth's forgotten wonders, and chances are you've never seen them, not like this. If you love traveling through stories, through sights, through the soul of the planet, subscribe now. We bring you places that don't make it to travel brochures, but should. We upload almost every day, and your one click makes it all possible. Ready? Let's disappear into the extraordinary. Out in the North Atlantic, where mist hugs cliffs and the ocean sings to the sky, lie the Faroe Islands, a scattered archipelago of green-carpeted peaks rising from the sea like ancient gods. Here, waterfalls pour directly into the ocean. Sheep outnumber people. Roads curve through fjords and clouds. The village of Gassadalur feels like a dream, with its iconic Mulafossur waterfall cascading like a silver ribbon from emerald cliffs. This place doesn't shout, it whispers. If you're lucky, the northern lights dance here, silently, above volcanic shores. Faroe is not just remote, it's unreal. Blood-red waters, skeleton shores. Welcome to Lake Natron, Earth's most dangerous mirror. The alkalinity here is so extreme, it petrifies animals that enter it. Flamingos, however, thrive, painting the toxic lake with grace. The color comes from salt-loving microorganisms, giving the lake its otherworldly crimson glow. This isn't just a lake, it's a paradox, life blooming beside death. Beautiful, lethal, unforgettable. Rising from Peru's golden dunes like a mirage is a green emerald of life, Huacachina, an ancient oasis surrounded by massive sand dunes that glow orange at dusk. Locals tell stories of a mermaid living beneath the waters. Sandboarders fly down the dunes. Sunsets here melt into the lake. It's the kind of place you find once in a lifetime, if you're lost enough to look for it. Beneath the icy surface of Lake General Carrera, something surreal emerges, the marble caves of Chile. Swirling walls of blue, turquoise, and white, sculpted over 6,000 years by water's patient hand. As your boat drifts through cathedral-like chambers, sunlight dances through the stone, and the walls glow like liquid sapphire. No artist could recreate this. It's water, painting marble into poetry. You don't just visit the marble caves, you drift through a dream carved by time. High above the Arctic Circle, closer to the North Pole than to Oslo, lies Svalbard, a frozen world untouched by noise or rush. Here, polar bears outnumber people. The sun stays up for months, or disappears entirely. Abandoned Soviet towns sleep under snow, and the northern lights dance like spirits over glaciers. The silence here is profound, the cold, humbling. In Svalbard, time stretches thin until you forget the world you came from. Along the wild coast of Northern Ireland, the earth tells two stories. One of ancient volcanoes shaping 40,000 hexagonal columns. The other of giants forging a path to Scotland. Welcome to the Giant's Causeway, where basalt stones stretch like a staircase into the sea. Waves crash, wind howls, and you stand between myth and science. It's not just a place, it's a legend set in stone. And once you're here, both tales feel equally true. In the remote hills of southern Albania, a sapphire vortex swirls beneath the forest canopy, the Blue Eye Spring. Crystal clear and impossibly blue, it defies logic, depth, and gravity. No one knows how deep it truly goes. Divers have vanished into its cobalt shadow. The water rises with force, cold as ice, pure as glass, and shimmering like a gemstone in motion. Stand near the edge, and you'll feel it pulling you in. The blue eye isn't just seen, it's felt in your bones. It's Egypt, but not the Egypt you know. Forget pyramids. Picture this. alien-like chalk formations rising from the sand, shaped by wind and time into natural sculptures of ice-white rock. This is the White Desert, a frozen dream in a furnace of heat. When the moon rises, the landscape turns silver. When the sun sets, everything glows rose gold. You can camp under the stars here, in silence that stretches beyond comprehension. It's not a mirage. It's real, but only if you believe it can be. Imagine a forest made of stone. Razor-sharp limestone pinnacles, called Tsingy, pierce the skies of western Madagascar like nature's cathedral. Between the spikes are hidden caves, swinging bridges, and secret paths where lemurs leap and rivers run below. Walking through Tsingy feels like navigating another planet, one that hasn't been touched in millennia. This is not a tourist stop. This is an initiation, a journey into Earth's most secret geometry. In western Poland, near the village of Nowe Czarnowo, lies a forest that defies all logic. The Crooked Forest, over 400 pine trees, each curving sharply at the base, as if sculpted by nature or something else. No one knows for sure how they came to be. Was it war, weather, or something stranger still? The silence here hums with mystery. Shadows dance along the twisted trunks, and for a moment it feels like you're not just walking through a forest, but through a secret. Visit at sunrise. Let the mist guide you. Because Crooked Forest, Poland, isn't just a place. It's a question waiting to be asked. This planet is filled with wonder, but most people only ever see the surface. Here, we dive deeper. Every video we make is crafted for explorers, for seekers of the surreal. If that's you, then join us. Subscribe, because we're uncovering these hidden treasures almost every single day. Help us grow. Like this video. Comment your favorite destination. Tell us where we should go next. Together, we'll go further than the maps allow. Until next time, keep your eyes open. The Earth still has secrets to share.